Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you all how to organize your Wednesday assignments for each class so that we're all uniform as a staff and kids don't get confused. So if you click classwork, what we want to do first is create a topic. So as you can see on the left side, it says all topics. They will all show up right there. So if you click create, and then we want to make sure we click topic, and everyone needs to write their topic the same way. So it needs to say Wednesday assignment. And then you can click add. And once you click add, it'll show up at the top. But you can also move these if you want to. You can drag it down, or it can be at the very top, whatever you want to do with that. When you then you want to make your assignment. So if I add my assignment, I can attach it however you want to attach it. If you're attaching a video or a form, whatever you want to do. So if I attach my assignment, one thing that's really important that we need all teachers to do is drop down. Instead of students can view the file or students can edit, you want to make a copy for each student. So we want to make sure that everyone is doing that. So each student has to click turn in at the end. And we want to title our topic with Wednesday assignment and then the date. So once you do that, we also want to make sure that we're giving students explicit instructions to click the turn in button at the end. So if you write in the instructions part, please complete your assignment, then click turn in to be marked as present. So once you do that, and you obviously can word that however you want, but you want to make sure that you're telling the students to click the turn in button. Now, if you want to go ahead and make yours worth points, you can do that. I believe that's up to every teacher if they want to actually grade these assignments or not, because they're used as attendance. But one thing you want to do is go ahead and click do and click the date, and then click or change the time to 3:30 p.m. So make sure you do change the date and the time to the Wednesday date and 3:30 p.m. so students know they must submit it by 3:30 p.m. If they don't submit it by 3:30 p.m., it'll show that they turned it in late. And then you want to hit topic and click Wednesday assignment. From there, one other thing that's very important is that if you're uploading these beforehand, what you can do is schedule the assignment. So say I want to upload my Wednesday assignment to get it out of the way on Monday, I can go ahead and schedule it to upload at on the 16th, and the time you have to upload it by is 9:30 a.m. So make sure if you're scheduling it, it's at 9:30 a.m. Then you can schedule it, and what happens is it shows up right here, and it'll actually post at 9:30 a.m. on Wednesday. Now, one other thing I want to show everyone is if I go back to edit this, if it is scheduled, one thing you can't do is push out the assignment to all classes. But if you say you just want to upload it Wednesday morning before advisory, you can go ahead and push this out to all of your classes for that day. So this is my 2A. Nope, that's my 2B. So maybe I want to push it out to my 1B in my yearbook class, which is my 3B. Then you can go ahead and assign it to 3 classes at once. But if you don't want to do that, then again, if you utilize the schedule feature. That's a really nice feature to make sure that you just, if you want to knock, your next couple of lessons for the next couple of Wednesdays out of the way by hitting schedule again. And you just have to make sure you hit the correct Wednesday. Make sure it says 9:30 a.m. From there, if you want to, like I said, move this to the bottom so students don't really use that yet or get confused why the topic is there. And they can still, use your other assignments that will show up at the top. So the main things are that you make sure you create your Wednesday assignment topic. You need to make sure the title says Wednesday assignment with the date. Make sure you make a copy for each student, post it by 9:30 a.m. on that Wednesday, and then click turn in by 3:30 p.m. If you have any questions, you can reach out to Ms. Diaz, Ms. Doak, Dr. Williams, or Dr. Hank Sloan. But I hope this is helpful. And if you already knew all of this, then sorry that you just watched it all.